What's up guys, Clark back from another video, and today we're gonna do the Shotgun Only challenge with a guest.
Hello, I'm Kangaroo Dude, so I'm gonna be like the main star because I'm the best here. So like, exactly. And like, make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. You know, really help us out. Yeah.
And comment down below if you want him to be in more in our YouTube videos.
No one let you speak, be quiet. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry.
What?
I didn't let you speak, Ethan. Why are you speaking?
Okay,
I'm sorry.
so we're gonna do only shotgun challenge. So we cannot use ARs, and comment down below if you want us to do any other type of challenges, like no healing, AR only, only common weapons, only like those stuff.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
There's walking, guys.
Oh my
There's
god! I got
people
it!
shooting at me.
I got a golden havoc. I got a golden havoc. I got a golden
Actually?
havoc. Yeah, golden havoc from Gotcha.
I don't see anyone. Ethan, you're gonna die. Oh, actually, alright.
Wow.
Alright, you're not that bad as I thought you would be. Alright.
Oh, no one let you speak.
No, that you
Man, watch
speak.
your tone when you speak to me. Watch your tone. What is this?
When you gotta point it up for Johnny so we can
Johnny,
actually go.
stop
Yeah,
again.
let's go.
Stop, Johnny, stop. Stop.
Let's go. Whee!
What? Come on, really? Right when it went off? Whatever, bro.
Rip.
Ooh, is that a sword? Wait, and swords are only allowed for movementation.
And also got Dignify Finish. Give me it.
I don't have it, but I think it's a sword.
It's mine.
Where's the boss? I actually don't know where the boss is. Oh, mine.
Already called
The
it.
boss is gonna spawn in 1 minute because that's when the new storm circle is coming.
I knew that.
Totally.
Then why do you say where's the boss?
Because hypothetically speaking, I need a reminder.
And yep, that is
Cool.
a sword.
Cool.
Mine. Where? Ethan, where?
It's mine. I found it. And do you know who he's speaking to?
Who are you speaking to?
Oh God, who you feeling like right now? Who you feeling like?
Guys, wait for me.
Let's go ahead.
Guys,
Sniper
it's a
circle.
munition slide and yeah, this stuff is like useless. Okay, when is I was gonna spawn in 14 seconds.
Actually,
12,
10.
11,
Actually 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Be quiet.
Four.
It's annoying.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Where is he?
There. It's where the rift is happening.
I don't see it.
Can't you sense the rift?
No, I knew that.
Yes.
Don't you have visual audio?
Okay, ready? 3, 2.
And if you don't, then watch our other
Why is it so
videos.
weak? Why is the boss so weak?
I know.
And if you don't know how to use visual audio, watch our other YouTube videos so you can see what it is and how to enable it. Guys, I'm healing. Wait, my OCD is messing me up and I'm 81 health.
Yeah,
Make it 82. Make it. No, Ethan had
are you
OCD.
talking?
Ethan had OCD since the start of the season. Nice. He had OCD since the start of the season. It's odd. Very
Since
Yeah, no. He said you don't have OCD. You fucking have mental OCD.
why?
That's actually.
Why you bully me?
I'll be honest, I don't know what that means.
Why you bully me?
Why you bullying me? Alright, I got everything. No, never mind. Does it not have a...
Last season, in Chapter 4, Season 1, I will adore this Behemoth. I love the Havoc now.
I'll be honest with you.
Thunder is better. Thunder is still better this season.
Thunder is better than the Havoc?
Yeah. It's OG. It's OG.
And
I like Pump more, the Pump.
No, the OG pump. The OG pump is way better.
Yeah, the golden pump.
Yeah. Also, go back inside that. No one can damage you. Look.
and
Alright.
wait, 3 people can hide in this?
3 big guys. I'm joking, y'all.
There can be like, there can be 80. There can be 100. No, no.
Dumpster diving, baby. Wait, dumpster diving, so now I can just dive in this and gain loot. Wait, hide.
I don't
And
think
I
I saw a
got it.
dumpster, Ethan. How Oh
And I
my
still
days!
gain loot.
How stupid are you? That's not a dumpster.
No, but I still gain loot.
That's a porta potty. How did the porta? Oh, I see people. Crap. 56. Guys, I might need help. Oh goddamn.
I'm shooting him right now. If you're not building at me, I would have killed him.
Alright, guys, I'm dead.
You
I'm gonna
blocked.
clutch them. Let me show you guys how real pros play.
Come on, edit it.
Oh? I'm actually bad. I'm actually bad.
I killed one.
I'm actually bad.
Alright, I killed one.
Oh my god, you can do this. You can do this.
I got one,
Let's
I got
go,
one,
let's
I got
go. Heal.
I got the other one.
Ethan, shut up! I'm sorry. There's no way you lose. You have no.
Ain't no way.
You're bad. You're dog water. You're trash. That's sad.
Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. We're probably maybe gonna make a part 2.
Yeah, hold on, yeah. So guys, subscribe,
Like, share.
and like and comment. Because personally, just do it. Just subscribe or else I'll find your mama's house.
Keep it family friendly.
I'm sorry.
Subscribe so we can make this crazy kid shut up.
Alright, that wraps it up.